if I click on the product here alone, for example, if I click on this component here, I'm going to have the isometric view of the whole product, the assembly. But in order to have the isometric view of the disassembly, I do the same process. Here is the point. I must first rotate the view and pick the view that I want. For example, I want this view. Then, what's really important is to click on the scene here. I must click on the scene, then click on this component, and there we go. Just like that, I can have an isometric view of this assembly. I can do the same process again and have another isometric view from the disassembly, but this time I'm going to pick a different view for it. Once more, here I rotate the disassembly, and this time I want to have this view. I click on the scene. I must pick the right scene, guys, which is the scene 3 here in this case. And just like that, I can have another view of this assembly. It's pretty easy. You need to do it yourself a few times until you get to know the whole process. I'm going to do it for the last time and have another isometric view, but this time I'm going to use a different scene. So the whole process again, but here instead of scene 3, I'm going to click on scene 2. Here in my tree, I click on it, then I click on one of the components, and there we go. Just like that, I can have as many isometric views as I want, because as I said, in some very complicated cases, we may want to have different isometric views to show somebody how the disassembly took place, and therefore they can do it the other way to assemble the product.